and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. I did post an original video of this coffee bar, me just basically creating it. Well, it's been a little while, so now we're going to update it for fall, and I hope that you'll join me. If you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to start by clearing off everything that I know I won't be using for fall, so any of my summer or spring leaves or greenery, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. And then I'm going to start by decorating my 3-tier stand because that seems to be the most complicated for me and the busiest, so I want to work around that first. So you'll see me lay down some objects, maybe move some around until I'm happy with it. So we'll go ahead and do the 3-tier stand, and then we'll move on to the rest. You are going to notice me talking throughout the video, and it's going to look like I'm talking to myself, but my kids and my niece are actually on the table behind me and they are painting. So I am not talking to myself, I'm actually talking to them, although a lot of times I do talk to myself. It's not the case for this video. I am going to use this opportunity to let y'all know where I got some of this stuff because I know that was a question in the original coffee bar question or video. So these are the brownies from the Dollar Tree. They're just the blondie brownies. I'll go ahead and get that out of the way. The basket that I'm putting it in is from Hobby Lobby. These are the pumpkin syrups. I got these at Marshall's. The Ninja coffee maker and the espresso machine are both from Amazon. The 3-tier stand is from Hobby Lobby, and the Keurig on the other side is from Kohl's. The buffet is from Furniture Factory Outlet, which I've had for a couple of years now, and the shelves were handmade for me. And I think that's about it. Most of the other stuff is just picked here and there from like Marshall's, Hobby Lobby, those type of places. So hopefully that clears some of that up for you. And this candle is from Marshall's as well. So this pumpkin spice seasoning, as well as, like I said, the syrups, and then this pumpkin spice coffee here, all of those are from Marshall's. I like to go to Marshall's because they have a wide variety of different things that you wouldn't see anywhere else. These cups are from Target, and that about sums that up. If you like coffee recipes, I do share some on my TikTok at Danielle Jones YT. I'll link that below for you if you're interested in checking it out. I would love it if you'd follow me. I'm just getting started over there. I don't really post a whole lot, but if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I think you might like it. The greenery on this side where I'm decorating, that's actually going to go away as soon as I find a fall themed plant that I like better. Also, the garland that I made for the coffee bar, the yellow and the blue, those are going to change as well, as I have new of the felt balls in fall colors coming, so I'll make a garland for that. So both of those will be updated later. So here I'm just lighting the candle, getting it all cozy, and that completes this video. I hope that you enjoy the after of the coffee bar decorated for fall. If you want to see more content like this, make sure that you subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your favorite part in the comments below. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I will have that link down below for you as well. I hope you all have a wonderful fall season, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.